Welcome to Hennessey Performance. My name is Alex. Behind me is Goliath 700, serial number 1, fully loaded with all the accessories. It's a little bit rainy outside. We're not going to show it on the track just yet. If you're going to be at NADA this weekend in Las Vegas, come check us out and see this truck in person. Let's take a look. Custom front Goliath bumper, 5 LED lights, blacked out grille, emblem painted to match, and this beautiful custom Hennessey hood. Let's open up the engine bay. So here in the engine bay, we have the 6.2 liter supercharged V8. It has a polished 2.9 liter supercharger system. It produces a very nice torque curve all throughout the rev range. This is likely the first supercharged 2019 plus GMC or Chevy truck in the whole world. So we're excited to show this to the world. And of course, every vehicle we build is very unique. It comes with a plaque that is serial numbered on the engine bay and on the interior. The one on the engine bay is actually signed by the technician who built your truck or vehicle. So this truck, of course, is called our Goliath. It's part of our Goliath lineup. The name is very fitting. It's very big, large, has a lot of horsepower and grunt. This is the perfect truck for all of your daily commuting, off-road, ranch needs. Of course, with every Hennessey vehicle, you get a warranty. This vehicle in particular comes with our traditional 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty. It is an industry-leading warranty. We're gonna cover all of our builds with this warranty, and we cover anything that we touch, modify, or cause to fail. This truck is gonna be bulletproof for all your everyday driving needs. So another great feature of this truck is the Brembo 6-piston front brake calipers. They will stop the Earth's rotation, and it's great to have when you have this much horsepower. You definitely need to stop. Also, one of the coolest features that this truck has, fold-out side steps. It makes the profile of the truck look way slimmer and taller, but it also has the functionality of a very nice side step. So one of the great options with the Goliath lineup is you can get a Goliath custom interior. It's stitched with Goliath in the seat backs and Hennessey in the headrest. It's a very nice plush leather, and it is functional with your AC and heated seats, and it does include the back seat and center console as well. It's a full leather interior upgrade. It is very, very nice. In the back, we have an electronic bed cover, so if it's raining, you have everything protected. We are taking orders now. These are being built in very limited quantities, so don't miss your chance to get one of these. Give us a call, shoot us a message today. If you're in Las Vegas this weekend, check us out at the NADA Auto Show, and also don't forget to like and subscribe because you don't want to miss out to see the performance of this truck, which is going to be absolutely unreal. We'll see you next time.
Drive a stock